Hey everybody, and Happy New Year! Today I'm going to share with you the basics of how to coupon at Dollar General the easy way and still get everything that you need for a super low price. Whether you're a couponing veteran or a brand new baby couponer, you'll find helpful tips in this video for keeping the savings simple. And if that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, right below this video, and let's get started. Step 1 is have a plan. Head to the store with a plan, or what I like to call your 5 off of 25 deal. Most weeks, Dollar General issues a coupon for $5 off when you spend $25 in their stores. There's usually a digital version of this coupon that you can clip in your Dollar General account, and that's kind of what I prefer because it just keeps things simple. But you can also use the paper version that prints at the bottom of most of your Dollar General receipts. These coupons only work on Saturdays, which is why you can catch me live most Saturday mornings with my best Dollar General deals of the week. So when I say head to the store with a plan, what I mean is check out the weekly ad and also what coupons are available, either digital or paper. Make a list of the items that you'll want to buy and make sure that the total of those items comes to $25 or over before your coupon discounts. If this sounds like a lot of work, then don't worry, I've got you covered. Just follow my deals and let me do the work for you. To give you an example, this is what one of my deals would look like. I write out the item and I make sure to include the size, the fragrance, etc. if you have to buy a certain one, and how much it costs, and then I write down how much the coupon deducts. I try to incorporate at least several coupons that have a pretty high discount if I can. Those combined with my $5 off coupon will result in the most savings. At the bottom, you can see that I wrote down what my total should be before coupons and what I'll pay out of pocket after my coupons are deducted. And don't forget about tax. If this sounds like a lot of work, then don't worry, I've got you covered. Just follow my deals and let me do the work for you. Step 2 is be flexible. Things happen, stores run out of items all the time. Make sure that you have your list with you on paper or in your phone, and make sure you've clipped a couple of backup coupons on other products that seem good to you. That way, if you can't access all the items that you wanted, you can still swap something else in for the missing stuff and get a really great deal. Step 3 is scan, scan, scan. The easiest way for a deal to go wrong is for a coupon to not come off or a price to be different than what was listed online. Before doing any couponing, you need to download the Dollar General app onto your phone. And when you're in store, use the app to scan each product that's part of your deal. This way, if the price is lower, you can add another item to your deal to make sure that you're still hitting that $25 mark. Any available coupons for the items should pop up when it's scanned, so if you don't see that one that you thought was applicable, you can adjust your deal accordingly. Step 4, avoid confusing promotions at first. Dollar General offers a few different promotions like their instant savings and their 5 off of 30 gain coupons that can be really beneficial. However, these are intermediate couponing concepts that can be a little tricky to figure out right at first. We're actually going to cover these in a future video, so make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out on that. But for right now, if you're a newbie couponer, I recommend keeping your transactions as simple as possible, and this will ensure the most savings. But more importantly, when your deals are successful, it's a way more fun experience, and it's really confidence boosting and helps you develop a real love for couponing. Step 5, don't be afraid of items you won't use. I actually covered this in my couponing myths video, which you can check out here, But if you really want to get the biggest discounts on items that you buy, you can't simply stick to only items that you'll use right now. Coupons and discounts vary seasonally, which is why many couponers have some sort of stockpile, either large or small. And even if you're stocked up on detergent, you'll probably need more eventually. And if that's the item with the largest dollar amount coupon right now, you'll want to make sure that it's added to your deal, and then try to incorporate a few items that you need as well. There are also items like razors and toothpaste that couponers get for free pretty regularly, which means that we rarely ever need them. But incorporating free items into your deals helps lower your overall total on other items that you need, resulting in more savings. So grab those razors and toothpaste and donate them to a local shelter or a women's center. Everybody wins. Step 6, check out with confidence. It's Saturday, you have your deal planned, you're like Santa, you've checked your list twice, you've totaled up your items, you got this. While the cashier is scanning your products, simply put your phone number in the digital pad. When they hit total, the register will automatically deduct any amounts that are applicable from coupons that you have clipped to your account. Don't be afraid to ask what coupons have been deducted if your total doesn't seem right. You're welcome to do more than one transaction, but you will need multiple accounts for this. I usually do 2, one on David's account and one on mine. Though keep in mind some accounts receive different coupons than others. I'd recommend sticking to just one right at first so that you have less to worry about. Step 7, head to the parking lot and do your happy dance because you just saved so much money. I hope this video provided some helpful advice on how to coupon at Dollar General. If you're new to this channel, drop a comment down below this video to say hello and let me know where you're from. I love getting to know my audience. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up to help support the work we do in helping you save money, and happy saving!